Stop working just to start.
You see this physique? It wasn't easy getting this way. It was so hard. I failed time and time again. It's been so many times I failed, I felt like giving up. But the times that you fail is the times that you gotta get back up and keep on swinging. Because even though you fail so much, you will succeed. It's been so many things I have done in the gym, so many things I have done at home that I'm surprised that I could do because I failed so many times doing it in the gym. I embarrassed myself so many times. But embrace your failure, embrace your embarrassments.
How you make it, man. Life don't give you what you want. Life give you what you deserve. And what you put in life is what you get out of life. If you bring bad energy to life, you're gonna deserve bad energy. If you bring positive energy to this life, you're gonna be remembered as somebody else. It requires discipline, self-discipline. I would not be defeated. A champion, tell yourself, my opponents would not work harder than me. A champion, tell yourself every day, I would not lose. I will not give up this fight. I will not give up this fight. People don't talk about losers. People don't even acknowledge the losers. People don't even talk about people that give up on their dreams. People want to talk about the winners. It's easy to lose. It's easy to give up. But it takes discipline. It takes hard work. You have to have that inner strength. That inner strength to wake up every day. The days you don't feel like